In this session, we are going to understand some cybersecurity terms. Let's start with the term asset. What is asset? An asset is an important data, gadget, or other component of an organization's system, most frequently because it holds sensitive data or may be used to obtain such data. An employee's desktop computer, laptop, or corporate phone or apps on such devices are some of the examples of an asset. Next term which we are going to discuss is threat. What is cybersecurity threat? A cybersecurity threat is any potential hostile attack that attempt to gain unauthorized access to data, disturb digital activities, or damage information. Corporate spies, computer hackers, terrorist groups, hostile nation states, criminal organizations, and dissatisfied workers are all possible source of cyber threats. Let's move to the third term, attack vector. What is meant by attack vector? An attack vector is a channel or a method used by a hacker to gain unauthorized access to a network or computer in order to exploit system vulnerabilities. Hackers employ a variety of attack vectors to execute threats that exploit system flows, trigger a data breach, or steal login credentials. Such methods including sending malwares and virus, harmful email attachments, and web links, sometimes pop-up windows, etc. How to explain vulnerability? This is the fourth term we are going to cover in this session. Vulnerability means the weakness in an asset or absence or the weakness of a safeguard or countermeasure. In other words, a vulnerability is a flaw, loophole, oversight, error, limitation that enable a threat to cause harm. You all might heard about the term exposure, and this is the last and the final term for this session. What is meant by exposure? The condition of being unprotected, thereby allowing access to information or access to the capabilities that an attacker can use to enter a system or a network. That's all in this session. Please like and subscribe this channel for similar videos.